If you want to ask for help, doesn't matter man or a woman, you're going to say بدي, I want. مساعدة, مساعدة means help. بدي مساعدة. If you don't need help, you can simply say ما بدي مساعدة. بدي, it's pronounced the same in Syrian, Palestinian, Jordanian, Lebanon. A lot of people say بدي. Anyway, now if you want to look for something, you can simply say when. When I did do a podcast about the question when means where. So you can say when and whatever you're looking for. So for example, if you are looking for a hospital, you say when في مستشفى. So now if you know the hospital and you're looking for the hospital, you would say when المستشفى. You can say when في مستشفى. Fi is where there is a hospital. Some people use like when بلاقي مستشفى, where I find a hospital. You don't need like, it's just make it simple. when في مستشفى. when المال. when شرطة police station. العرض, the show, if you're going like vacation and stuff. when العرض. when tickets, you can simply say tickets. All people will understand what ticket is. I'm trying to make it really simple for you if you don't speak the language. So you don't need to learn. If you just want something simple to get you by, you don't need a lot of vocabularies. Like I can give you a lot of vocabularies, but that's going to be too hard or overwhelming if you're not ready. So if you just say when tickets, they will know like that's where like you're looking for the check-in area basic. So otherwise you can say when بشتري ticket, where do I buy a ticket. Ticket also is تذكرة. So when بشتري تذكرة or when في تذاكر. And again, so far everything I'm saying, it can work for a male or a female. Now if you want to look for directions, you can say كيف بروح على, how do I go to. when, whatever you're looking for. when الحمام, where's the bathroom. when المدخل, where's the entrance. when المخرج, where's the exit. Yeah, so I hope this helps you or you find it useful. If you like it, please press the like button. Check out my workbooks for all levels. They are in my Etsy shop, Aralola. All the links should be in the description. Thank you.